That was good footwork. This is Maddie's first time in the jumperoo.
It looks like he's doing some tap dancing. What is this?
What do you think, dude? You gonna jump?
What is this?
Nah, I'll just tap my feet. Maddie. Hey, buddy. You gonna jump? Oh, there you go. Whoa!
Whoa.